After opening new Canva project, let's choose our image and go to elements and type Grunge film frame, photos, and scroll down. Choose any frame with black color. Let's choose this one and go to apps and type blend image. Choose this app. Click on your image first, use it in bottom layer, and click on the frame, use it in top layer. Go to blend mode and choose multiply. Go to adjust top layer and choose stretch. Click add to design. Increase the size, and here is the results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.